In this video, I'm going to show how to quickly and easily copy and paste an image from and sent to us from an email into a post on Facebook. So here I am at CSL Licensed Practitioners Region 1 Facebook group, and I'm going to open up and start to create a post. And here I go over to an email, the auspicious August classes, and I simply want to copy and paste this image over into this post. So to make it very easy to copy and paste, I click reply on my email. I scroll down to the image, and on a PC, I'm on a PC, I hover my mouse over the image, I right-click the image, I click copy, then I come over here to create post, I click in the body of the post, and I use my keyboard, Control V to paste, and there it is. I post it. I usually post it with some text, but I'm just going to post it, and there's my post. That's it.